The Sensis hinge is our high-end product. Thanks to the tool-free rapid assembly system, this premium hinge is incredibly convenient and simple to install. The costs associated with many common door sizes can be reduced, as they are often fitted with 3 or more hinges. With Sensis, one hinge less offers the same security. Its outstanding soft closing mechanism, the best of its class, allows Sensis doors to close gently and securely. Furthermore, Sensis is optimized for a broad temperature range of between +5 degrees and +40 degrees Celsius. As a result, we prevent doors from slamming shut in hot environments and from not closing completely in the cold. The damper on the Sensis hinge doesn't need adjustment. No matter how large or heavy, the door will always close safely and gently. This is because of the exceptionally large automatic closing angle of 35 degrees. The multi-award-winning design of the Sensis hinge is absolutely unique and provides a final aesthetic flourish to the design of your furnishings.